Hello. So we're trying to evaluate the integral of t e to the negative 3t dt. This is a standard integration by parts problem, so you have to figure out a u and a dv to decompose the problem with. Usually you want to find a u that you can keep differentiating until you get to like 1, so that you can basically get rid of it. And the dv needs to be something that you can integrate using your conventional methods. So in this case, it's easy to see that u equals t and dv equals e to the negative 3t. I say easy because I've done this so many times. It comes with experience. Du would then be equal to dt. V is equal to e to the negative 1.